students, Jai Gurudev. Today I am just going to explain the second part of power sharing. In first part of power sharing, you had come to know that how did Belgium become successful due to use of the power sharing, and due to use of power sharing, Belgium just become the prosperous country. Now I will explain today that how did Sri Lanka not with the power sharing. That's why Sri Lanka had to face the problem of civil war. So first I am just going to explain the ethnic composition of Sri Lanka. In Sri Lanka, Sinhala people, those people who used to speak the Sinhala language, they belong to both. And they belong to both, they were 74%. And Tamil, under the Tamil, they were 80%, but there were two categories of Tamil. First category belongs to those people who live in the Sri Lanka. So they were called the Sri Lanka's Tamil. And second category of Tamil, they came from India. And those forefathers escaped from the plantation and started to live in the Sri Lanka. They are called the Indian Tamil. In this way, you have come to know about the Sri Lanka Tamil and Indian Tamil, and rest of the 7% belong to Christian. In this way, there were 3 or 4 categories among the Sri Lanka people. But Sri Lanka followed the preferential policy. In 1948, Sri Lanka became independent country, and in 1948, Sri Lanka government formed the government on the basis of majority, because Sinhala people, they were in the majority in the Sri Lanka. That's why on the majority base, Sinhala people formed the government. And there was not the majority of Tamil. That's why in 1956, Sri Lanka government, Sinhala people, they had made one act in 1956, and that act was based on the discrimination and preferential policy. Under this preferential policy, Sri Lanka government, means Sinhala people, they had given the preference to only the development of Sinhala people. They had given them preference in the field of job, field of university, field of education, field of industry. It means that in each and every field, they had given only the preference to the Sinhala people, and they had not given any right, any preference to the Tamil people. In this way, during the government, Tamil people continue to feel the alienation, and Tamil people continue denied from each and every advantage in the field of job, in the field of education, in the field of industry. As a result, Tamil people started to raise the demand for separate state Tamil Freedom. Government continued denied the Tamil people. Government continued to ignore the demand of Tamil people. That's why, as a result, Tamil people started the war against the government, and civil war started. It is called the civil war because war happened in the country. So under the country, those war happened. That is called the civil war. Gradually, we can say in Hindi, gradually. After that, as a result, you know that number of people lost their property, number of people lost their home, and they became refugees. And after that, you know that as a result of civil war, Sri Lanka was a prosperous country changed into the poor country. Second wonderful thing I want to tell you that our ex-Prime Minister Mr. Rajiv Gandhi also affected by the Sri Lanka civil war, because during the war, Sri Lanka government demanded the raise of the help from the UN. That's why UN had given the just like duty to the Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi for help of neighboring country Sri Lanka. Then Rajiv Gandhi sent a peaceful army, Indian army, to the Sri Lanka, and Indian army defeated to the Tamil. As a result, Tamil people were killed in so much quantity. That's why Tamil people taken the determination, commitment that Rajiv Gandhi is responsible for our killing. That's why people kill the Rajiv Gandhi. That's why in 1992, Rajiv Gandhi went to Tamil Nadu due to advertisement of election. As a result, during wearing the garland of flower, bomb was fit in the garment of flower, and as a result, bomb busted and Rajiv Gandhi was killed. In this way, we have seen the result of power sharing, that Sri Lanka did not do the power sharing. So we Indian also have lost our Prime Minister. Although this matter does not include this chapter, but I want to give the example that what was the result of this civil war and what was the result of power sharing, that Sri Lanka did not do the power sharing. That's why Sri Lanka faced the problem, and Sri Lanka also affected the India. Okay, children, okay students, Jai Gurudev, and in next video I will explain the next topic.